Find out and fix errors in the program to make Joey walk 2 steps. See, in this exercise, we have to make Joey walk 2 steps. Instruction blocks for this exercise are given in the script area. But when we click on Execute button, it displays an error message. Our task is to spot the error in this program. Can you guess what is wrong with the instruction block given? Yes, stop block is missing here. We need to add stop block at the bottom to end this exercise. Now, when we click on Execute, the program runs successfully and Joey is able to walk 2 steps.